In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a business email address, how to set up a mailbox to run a successful online business. Now, you want to do this because to be able to run a successful online business, you need a professional email address and a business mailbox to join certain programs, especially if you want to join affiliate programs. Most affiliate platforms require you to have your own custom domain and a business email address to join their affiliate programs because they don't want you to spam your affiliate links all over the place. So the number one thing they want you to do is to write a blog, but when you get into the program, how you're going to promote it is none of their business. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to go about it. In my previous video, I show you how to buy a domain. I'll drop the link in the description box. If you don't know how to buy your own domain, you can watch that, then come back to this video. All you got to do is just sign up, and I'll put the sign up link in the description box as well. Let's get straight into the video. First, you need to click on email because that's what we need. We have our domain already. Click on email, but don't worry, I'll show you how to go about it. Professional business email. Also, this is known as private email. It's up to you, whatever way you call it. You have three names: business email, professional email, or private email. Now we have to select either free for trial or bill yearly. And I understand sometimes people want to try the platform, but I'll advise you to buy a private or business email address instant. Don't try it because there's no point in trying because you know you need it. Don't do that. What I'll do, I'll go with the bill yearly. If you go trial, it's $0 by the way, and you can try it. But like I said, I don't want that. But I'll go yearly. With the year plan, my mailbox is $1.67, and to renew every year is $20.05. But if you want a coupon, then you have to subscribe to the 1-year program, and this is what I want. If you want 2, you can click 2, and this is what you have to pay each and every year. The more you go, the cheaper it is, but I don't really need more. I need just a little bit just to save almost $15. Now I'm gonna copy the hello mail as my coupon, then get started, then click get started. You can purchase a new domain from Namecheap. You can use a domain you own already from Namecheap, or you can use a domain that you own from other networks like Daddy and stuff like that. I'll choose use a domain I own. You can type to filter the domain list if you have a whole bunch of domains, or you want to use a domain that you bought a while ago. In case I want to use a domain name I bought yesterday, aicontent.info. All right, it's right here. So I'll just select it because I've selected it already. Click continue, scroll down. After you scroll down, you have to choose the number of mailbox you want. In my case, I want just one mailbox. I don't need much. I'll keep it the way it is. And one mailbox is free. So click add to cart. You can select 1 year or 2. Before I confirm my order, I need to enter the code. Remember, I copy a code. I'll click here and paste it. Apply. Right now, I'm gonna pay $10.66. Confirm order. So now you need to enter your credit information. You can use your credit card or you can use PayPal. I'll scroll down and I'll continue. And after, I'll get back to you guys. I've selected my PayPal because I've linked it to my Namecheap account already. It makes it easier. Now, before you proceed, you need to select I have read and agree to all Namecheap terms and services and agreements. If not, you cannot click this. Click PayPal to pay. On this page, you have to scroll all the way down and get to this portion of the page. And what you need to do right now is to create your mailbox. That is where you create the name of your email address. Let's get to that. Private email, starter email subscription alert for this domain name, and they want you to upgrade it. Just ignore this. They want you to pay more or subscribe to advanced mailbox, but we just want basic. I'll scroll down, and right here you click on create box. We have only one, but you haven't used it yet. Click on it. This to bring you straight here, but they just wanna make money off you. You have to be smart. That's why you need to watch tutorials like this to avoid paying this money. Create mailbox. Now you need to enter the name of your mailbox. For instance, let's say I'll enter Blogsdom. Then it's gonna be Blogsdom at aicontent.info. Then you need to give it a password. Confirm the password. And this is the storage that you're gonna get. Then when you are done, you click save changes. I'm gonna do mine and I'll get back to you guys because I wanna blur this email address to prevent people from sending me useless emails. When everything is done successfully, you're gonna end up on this page, and your email address will be here. The next thing you need to do is to click done. Now I'll show you how to access your mailbox. So hover over the mail sign, then click on login to webpage. Click on login to webmail. Now you need to log in into your account just to make sure that everything is accurate. I'll do that quick. Enter your email that you just created and the new password. You can click keep me sign in if you want. You don't have to be signing in all the time. Then you click login. I'll do it quick and I'll be back. I'm inside my mailbox now. What's new in this version? Just close it. Take it off. Welcome to private email. They're trying to show you around. These are your menus, your mail, your calendar, address book, drive, which means everything will be saved online. You don't need to download anything. Your portal and your task settings. My email address showed up before the settings, but I decided to let go of it. It's just to prevent people from seeing it. Next, finish. This is it. In case you want to use this business email address to send email, you just have to come and just click inbox. But right now it's on inbox already. Click compose and just start. If you don't, and this will be your draft messages you've sent. Any spam that you don't want, you can just delete them or block them. Trash whatever you don't need. And right now you have 0 out of 5 gigabytes. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. By the way, you have to create an account. I'll put a link in the description box. Click on it and just register or sign up. Searching for .com domains will be a bit difficult, but don't worry, you have to keep trying or add other words to it just to make it available for you. So let's say, for instance, I'll search for something. Alright, so let's search for this because I want some domain name for AI affiliate programs. Right, so as you can tell, aibots.ca. So the reason why they gave me this option, the CA, because I live in Canada. All right, and let's say if you live in US, it's gonna be US. If you live in UK, it's gonna be .uk. So I try AI contents. It says make an offer, which means it's taken already, and the .com here. Okay, so let's see when. All right, so which means this domain name is not taken, but I just wanna make money out of it, or it could be like somebody has purchased it already. .org is $10.12 per year, and to renew is $17.55. AI contents.ai, this is really good, but it's $94.64, and to renew is $108. All right, I don't want that. This is too expensive. I'm not sure if I might use this domain. It's just for tutorial. So AI content.online, that's also not bad. If I want this one, so what I'll do, I'll just add to cart. All right, you can either continue from here, check out, or you can go up. All right, if you want to buy more, then you can continue and add more domains if you want. So for instance, if I want this, I can add to it and continue, but I don't want to add more. I just want this. These are extra stuff that they want you to purchase. Site security made simple. Don't worry about this, because wherever you're gonna go mount this, you get free SSL certificate. Even if you have to mount on Cloudflare, they have free SSL certificates. So in my case, for instance, in future, I will connect my domain to Systeme.io, so I know I will get it, so no problem. All right, apart from that, these are all extra stuff, but I don't want any of them. And premium DNS, you don't want that, so go check out. All right, so do I want 1 year? 1 year is this amount. Okay, if I want 2 years, I can change it, but they have all the way to 10 years. Okay, if you change it, let's say if I change it to 2 years, it's gonna be 26, and to renew will be 48, but I want just a year. All right, and domain privacy protection, I have it, so nobody can see my domain information, and it's free forever. $0, and it's free forever. And auto renew, if I want auto renew, fine, it's gonna auto renew. Okay, but make sure you have money when it's time to renew. I will click confirm order. All right, so how do I want to pay? By credit information, enter the card name on card, that's your first and last name, exactly how it is on your credit card or on your debit credit card. Then fill in the information. But in my case, I would like to use PayPal, so I'll just click it. And by the way, I have everything set up already in the system. For confidential reasons, I've blurred my information here. Make sure your billing address is correct, all right, including your email. Then click here to pay, so I'll click on pay with PayPal right now. So I'll go back and check inside my domain list. So go to username, then dashboard. Alright, so this is it, and it's gonna expire November 8th, 2028. Alright, so thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.